If you will be learning to drive, these are some of the signs that you will see on the roadway. So here we have the first one here. This is another one. Here is another one. This one, can you guess what that one means? This one, it says reduce speed. Here we have another one. This is another one. This one says keep left. This one indicates the speed limit, both in kilometer and miles per hour. Here we have a one-way sign. And lastly, we have the no parking sign. We have come to the end of the video entitled Learning to Drive. At CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite IT resource. And in the next video, we'll be looking at spreadsheets. So please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.